Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make a restaurant quality foods and better. From my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a air fried Mexican spatchcock chicken in a new wave oven. Alright, so this is my spatchcock chicken right here. And all we're going to use is some chipotle. We're going to use some taco seasoning. And this Goya. No, they ain't Goya. This Sazon right here. Alright. And we probably use a little salt. But you really don't need that because this already has salt in it. But I'm going to put some on there anyway. Okay, first thing we want to do is take some of this olive oil. I'm going to start on the other side though. You want to dry this off as much as you can. We're just going to dry this off. Like so. These chicken wings up, unfolded over here because I got to put the seasoning on there. On that side. Alright. We're going to come in here with a little olive oil. Just help the seasoning sit on there better. Okay, we got the olive oil on there. We're just going to rub it on this chicken. Just like so. All over the chicken. Legs and all. The leg hiding from me over here. Come in here with a little salt. Right, like a teaspoon. Alright. We're going to come in here with this chipotle. Now if you don't have no chipotle, you can use some smoked paprika and some chili seasoning. Mix those together. So this is probably going to be like a tablespoon of this. Okay, we're going to come in here with our taco seasoning. Another tablespoon. Yep, Mexican spatchcock chicken. Alright guys, we're going to flip this over. Repeat the same procedure. Olive oil. Now, only different on this side, we're going to take this Sazon because we want that boy to look good. We're going to take a pack of this Sazon and season that up. Alright, I'm going to rub this on here. You'll see what I'm talking about when it gets done. And it adds flavors as well. Okay? But I will tell you this, you better wash your hands off and don't let this stuff sit on your hands too long. Because we'll die it for a second. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands off. Okay, come in here with some salt. Another teaspoon. Got a piece of hair right here. That's been cleaned good enough. Piece of feather rather. Alright. Make sure I hit this side a little bit. Alright. Alright, we come in here with chipotle. Alright, I think that's enough of that. Alright. I'm going to come in with our taco seasoning. Lift this leg up. That bird looks good to eat already. And I will leave a link to this taco seasoning. People sleeping on this taco seasoning. I'm giving you something for free. I'm telling you, you will love it. I'm not just telling you, you will love it. Just right for any occasion. You make any Mexican dishes or Spanish dishes. All right. So this is our spatchcock chicken. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the leg out there a little bit more. We want this chicken to stay uniformed. Okay. All right. Put a little bit more olive oil on the breast part. All right. So what we're finna do here, put this lid on here. Well, I want it to cook not super fast. So I'm gonna put this ring on here. Like so. Then I'll put this lid on here like so. We're gonna plug this up. Alright, I know you guys can see the buttons up here, but I'm gonna put this on the hour. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We got it on 350 degrees. We're gonna go on cook time, 1, 0, 0, then start. It's going, and I'll see you guys. We're gonna flip it in, yeah, we're gonna flip it in about an hour. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. I'm finally done with this. Air fry Mexican spatchcock chicken in a New Wave oven. Okay? And let me show you how that looks up close. Alright. How that boy look right there. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget that, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Happy cooking. Much love.